ground guide. Oh, you got plenty of room. Bump. You're good. So, oh, that's not what, okay. It started raining, so I've gone GoPro as the backup. The idea is to hit the whole parking lot. And some great wet shots today. There's the road. Link shots taking shelter. We have the McLaren. It is the 765 LT is here. Get the exhaust. When it starts raining, get out the GoPro. You have the Cobra. It's a Hellcat. The Corvette from earlier, we got the rollers. On that we have the Sun is what we have. Bunta 89. One thick mango. It's in the house. I got these vets already. This is a throwback. Got them. That's that 325. I don't think it's a bust. It just started raining. But we're GoPro now, so maybe we hang out or something. I don't know. This guy looks like right now. Oh, that's what it looks like over there. And the storm, I think, is coming from that way. So that's what's going on with the weather right now. For the next half an hour. Square body. So we got a Colorado pulling their Miata. So Segway. He's got the backup camera, so no ground guide needed. He's just gonna put it in there. First time go. And then we'll switch. We'll segue to the back. It's just gonna come to us. It's gonna come to us. We have the 5.0. The square body's getting in over here. But he's moving around anyway. Mustang here with the 5.0. Behind him is the Beamer. It's an M365. Oh, is this ain't the same one, is it? No, it's the looks like 350, a 35 IS. Very cool. The Infinity. And looks like another Infinity. And that. Left-handed. Not bad. So all we're trying to do is get this parking lot so we can go back up front. I was told it was sold out. Somebody's revving. Here's that other Infinity again. Hello, we got a wagon. Props for the wagon. The A4. I didn't already get this. I don't think. I'm gonna grab it. The Infinity again. And this thing again. Oh, okay. Okay. The Jurassic, let's do this. The Jurassic Park livery on the Jeep. Spider. And 45th anniversary. Looks like the rain has passed. I'll probably switch back to the camera. Why don't we get this back row real quick? Just gonna grab the whole row in one shot. So take it for a walk. They're circling around. They need to go to that other. Location. GTR with the amber lights. License plate GTR.